Hello everyone, welcome back to EndlessFoodPot channel. Today we are going to show you how to make a mouth-watering street style snack, Aloo stuffed Paneer Bajji and Mirchi Bajji. It's a perfect combination of spicy, crunchy and absolutely delicious flavors. So let's dive right into the recipe. First take 4 boiled potatoes in a bowl and smash them with a smasher. Next, add finely chopped onions, onion leaves and coriander to the smashed potatoes. Now add 1½ teaspoon of chili powder, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of garam masala and a pinch of lemon salt. Mix everything well and set the mixture aside. In another bowl, add 2 cups of gram flour, half a cup of rice flour, half teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of carom seeds, enough salt and a pinch of turmeric. Gradually add water while whisking to make a smooth batter without lumps. Set the batter aside. Now cut the paneer and chili as shown in the video. Spread the prepared aloo mixture on the top of paneer slices. Stuff the mixture into the cut mirchi as well. Then heat oil in a pan for deep frying. Dip the prepared paneer slices into the gram flour mixture and fry them in the hot oil until they turn golden brown and crispy. After that, dip the stuffed chilies into the gram flour and fry them. Once fried, remove them from the oil and place them on a plate. And there you have it. Our delicious street style aloo stuffed paneer bajji and mirchi bajji are ready to be served. Serve them hot with your favorite chutney or sauce. Enjoy the crispy goodness and burst of flavors in every bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!